Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some information on how you can get up to a $100,000 personal loan through SoFi. Now, with this loan, SoFi actually have different options, even for mortgage loans, student loans, refinancing your student loans, or a personal loan. And SoFi is one of those rare lending institutions that actually will give you a personal loan up to $100,000 without a security. So this is an unsecured loan. There's many people that's looking to consolidate debt, and so they are known to have some lower rates. So you can use this to your advantage if you're trying to get a low fixed personal loan and trying to reconsolidate credit card debt. And this can help you in the long term save some money and even help you possibly improve your credit without you being maxed out on your credit cards. So we're going to go in and dive into some information. SoFi is really known in the industry for student loan refinancing. Student loan is a big issue for a lot of people who are looking to move forward in their life, and also who are paying really high interest rates for their student loans. Also, if you're new to my channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button if you want notifications on content such as this: how to improve your credit, receive personal loans, and also finding ways to better your life and leveraging your credit to make money. Um, Also, if you could take the time to give me a thumbs up for the video, it helps the algorithm. So also with SoFi, it's known mostly in the industry for helping people refinance their student loans, but they also have personal loans that we're going to talk about today, and consolidation loans. So there's different ways that they're offering you different rates, and one thing, it will be dictated on your credit score and also other factors far as income and credit history. So one of the features here is saying pay off credit cards or invest in your home improvements. Many people will take out this personal loan to do home improvements. But one of the key points of going with SoFi is there's no origination fees. So many times when you're getting a loan, there's a fee just creating the loan. So they don't have an origination fee, and there's no prepayment fees. So that's great when it comes down to people who are having student loans or any kind of loan that you are trying to get this loan for. In order to pay it off early, if you are saving money far as the interest rates, this might allow you to make a number of payments to pay the loan off at an earlier period of time. And many loans would still charge you a prepayment fee if you pay it early. Because if you don't know, banks make money primarily off of interest. So they want you to keep the loan for the full duration so they can make more money. But here with SoFi, they don't charge you a prepayment fee. And what's really great, there's no late fees. Many of us have experience with credit cards, any loans. If you pay after a certain period of time, there's a late fee. So here's some of the features. A borrower can borrow up to 100,000 with low rates ranging from 5.99 APR to 20.69 APR. And there's offering a online application to make it really streamlined. And one of their great features that they do have is unemployment protection. So if you lose your job or temporarily cannot pay payments because you're trying to find a new job while you're unemployed, they will not cause any harm to your, current credit report, and they will give you some time with that protection while you find a new job. So we kind of break into some of the products they do have to offer. And like I mentioned, some of the products they do have is student loan refinancing, also personal loans that you can have no nonsense personal loans, as they're saying, for home improvement, and credit card consolidation. Um, Also, with the student loan side, they do have medical refinancing for those that take out student loans for, going in the medical industry to be a doctor. And many of those people really deal with a large 300 to sometimes 400,000 in student loan debt. So they specialize in that. And for parents, if you're a parent and you signed on to a student loan obligation for a child, this have the financing for parents to turn that student loan over to the child, and you can refinance that student loan. Now, some of the requirements that you have to keep in mind with SoFi is you have to be a U.S. citizen. So that's one of the requirements. You must be 18 years old, and you must be employed, or you're going to be offered employment within the next 90 days. So those are the requirements. And this company tend to work with premium credit scores. So you must have a credit score of 680 in order to get this loan or to qualify for the loan. So some of the negatives with this is having a more premium credit score. Also, their minimum for the loan amount, you must get a loan for about $5,000 is their minimum threshold. So if you are a person that, you really don't need a large amount, only like $2,000, $3,000 for a personal loan, they would not be able to fund you at such a small level. It must be $5,000. And also their income requirements, they do look at that heavily, and it won't be based off of your credit score only to be approved for this loan. But those are some of those issues. If you do suffer from those issues, you may not qualify for these loans. But for those of you that can possibly fit into this category, this could be a good option to help you manage your debt, or simply begin to save some money with the current debt obligations that you have. So hopefully you can check this out. I will leave a link in the description. Also, if you're a person that you are currently working on your credit and you are not at this level right now, I offer packages to help you improve your credit score. And we also give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. So you can just drop on in and download the package for absolutely free, because if you did not know, hard inquiries can keep you from getting qualified for loans, credit cards, even with a premium credit score. I had a client, 740 credit score. He had a number of hard inquiries, about 10 to 11 hard inquiries, and he was not approved for credit. So if you're looking to get approved for some personal loans, you definitely want to take into account how many hard inquiries that you have on your credit. So hopefully this information was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.